His thrust is strong. That's from 300, you know?
Yeah, I know.
When the guy's like, can I join your Decorative Concrete? I just need a uniform.
You'll make you a star.
This is the angle right here, boys.
With heaven in the
I'm making
background?
it short, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. Not every day you get to work next to heaven, you know? This guy's making fun of my crust, you know?
Love it.
Bubby.
Love it. Oh, yeah. And this screws head. I need something, Zachy. I like the way you're asserting yourself, Zach.
Oh, this guy answers to me.
Alright, give her a ring. Pretty sure
I want to put it right here, it's close to that, and then we'll just go little one, little one, little one, little one, fill in that blank.
This one?
Yeah. See how I have it?
Alright.
What about right here, up against on this side of the pillar?
We're going to.
Dude, I'm Mel Gibson. That's what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to direct.
Let's take this one real quick, put it right here, hammer that out, and then we're gonna go all the way down the wall. Blah, 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 blah. All right.
Thing I've had this week was 10 packs of cigarettes and 2 slices of pepperoni pizza.
We hit this one yet?
And that was yesterday.
Should we hit this one?
Yeah, hit that one. And the top one. I just hit that one.
You don't know how careful you are, huh?
Yeah. Beautiful.
We made it, Zach.
Repair and hit the skins at the same time.
We're gonna go this way, here. Boom.
Okay.
Circle back around. Let's
Grab those little ones.
You can lay it on top of it.
Oh yeah, Bruce.
How's it feel?
Oh god, it's perfect. Oh shit! Super soft right there, boy. Way more soft that way. Just don't go that way, alright?